So here we have this Moonlens compact camping chair. Now this is the 3rd generation black style and it's great for camping, hiking, or even backpacking. It weighs about 2 pounds and comes in this bag that's about 5 inches by 5 inches and 14 inches long, so it's pretty light, but it's not the smallest. Anyway, setting this up is a little awkward, but it's pretty easy because it all just kind of fits together. Then once the frame is done, you hook it onto the pockets in the fabric, and you do have to pull it tight so you can get them all into place. Taking a closer look at the chair, these legs are high quality aircraft grade aluminum, and the chair cover is a super heavy duty rip proof ballistic nylon. It's rated for up to 400 pounds, so here I'll sit in it, and as you can see it does twist a little, but other than that it's pretty sturdy and surprisingly comfortable. And it also has a pocket on each side for you to put a few of your items. Now, this is a quality portable lightweight chair for outdoors, and if you had the space, this would be a great chair to take on a hike or backpacking.